Hi good people, it's me again. Welcome to lesson 5 of looking at internet and web fundamentals. In this lesson, we're going to look at routing and packet switching as part of wide area network. This is the 5th video in my series where I'm teaching about internet and web fundamentals. In the last video, I talked about some common networking services such as the DHCP, RRAS, IPsec, and voice over internet. I've also shared the link in this video description for the same. Good people, my name is Anwar Mulombe from Mulan Technologies. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Hit that notification bell icon to receive instant updates whenever I upload a video in the coming days. Leave your comment below in the comment section and share this video to help your friends know about it. Let us start. Routing is the process of moving data across different networks or internetworks between hosts. Information is transmitted according to the IP networks and individual IP addresses of the host in question. Guys, a router is a device that connects two or more networks. It serves two primary functions. Number one, that's managing traffic between these networks by forwarding data packets to their intended IP address. Number two, allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connection by maintaining tables of information about other routers on the network or inter-network. In this diagram, we can be able to see one router that connects two different LANs and it's able to relay data from one LAN network to another, the process that I call routing. Routing process works by choosing the best path for data packets to take across a network when traveling from one computer to another. The routing process usually directs forwarding on the basis of routing tables. Routing tables maintain just a record of routes to various network destinations. Routing tables may be specified by an administrator, learned by observing network traffic, or built with the assistance of routing protocol. The process of routing undergoes through these 5 steps that have broken them down. Step number 1, computer sends a data packets to a router. It attaches an IP address to packets, just like you put an address label on a physical parcel you want to send. Routers use these addresses to work out the best routes. The origin computer usually connects to a local area network, that's LAN, while the routers send packets from a LAN to another large network. Step number 2, routers will receive the packet and read its IP address. Comparing this to the internal, that's routing table, routers are able to establish which is the best route via the packet, which packet should go. Step number 3, router uses the information to work out the next best network to help the packet to take the next hop closer to its destination. The final hop count is a number of times a packet hops until it reaches the target. When the packet reaches a new network, a whole new router decides the next best hop for it to take. Because of this, routes that packets take are rarely direct. However, thanks to the routing protocols, they are faster and efficient. Last step, the final router sends the data packets to the destination computer. When the data packet finally reaches a router in the same network as the destination address, it can route it directly to the device or server it was sent to. So what does this look like in practice? For instance, when you send an email from a laptop connected to your office LAN, your LAN router receives instructions about the destination IP address. At this point, the email IP packets reach the edge of your LAN network. Here, your LAN router decides the route the email should take based on its routing table, sending it to the next network on its path. Because it's unlikely that your LAN network directly connects to the destination network, the data packets will encounter different routers on their route in the internet. These other routers check the destination IP address of data packets passing their way and they route them accordingly. Eventually, the email reaches a router connected to the server hosting your recipient's email, which routes it to its final destination. Then, packet switching is a digital connectionless network transmission process in which data is broken into suitably sized pieces or blocks called packets for fast and efficient transfer via different network devices. See the diagram below for the illustration where data from the sending computer is broken down into several packets while on transit before reaching its destination. That's the receiving computer. Guys, for example, when a computer attempts to send a file to another computer, the file is broken into packets so that it can be sent across the network in the most efficient way. These packets are then routed by a network device to the destination. Good people, thank you so much for watching to this end. In the next video, I will be talking about understanding basics of internet and look at some concepts such as what is VPN, intranet and extranet. See you there. Bye bye.